Hello, everyone. Welcome to iMobie support channel. This video will give you all the information you need to use AnyMiro more easily and effectively. AnyMiro is a screen mirroring software. You can enjoy smooth and 4K resolution mirroring with auto-sync audio in real time. AnyMiro supports two types of screen projection devices, iOS devices and Android devices. You can choose the one you need. And AnyMiro supports two connection methods, USB connection and Wi-Fi connection. It is generally recommended to use the USB connection for a more stable connection. In the menu bar settings, you can create presets for easy execution of various screen projections. Click on the preference option to preset screen projection parameters, including resolution and frame rate. Then, you can set the format and storage path of the screenshot. In this interface, you can also set the video format, sound settings and storage path of the recordings. And you can also check the AnyMiro version, choose the preferred language, send feedback, etc. For specific functionalities and detailed usage instructions, please kindly refer to other guides available.